Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about the days of the week. We know you have 7 days in a week, and in this lesson we are going to learn the names of those 7 days and how to spell them in Nzema. Let's get started. The first day is Kelinzile, and that is Monday. Kelinzile. K, A, N, E, N, Z, E, A, Kelinzile. I'm taking the spelling again. K, A, N, E, N, Z, E, A, Kelinzile. The second day is Jeke, and that is Tuesday. The spelling goes like this: D, O, E, K, E, Jeke. D, O, E, K, E, Jeke. Wednesday, that is Mane. Wednesday, Mane. A, N, O, E, Mane. A, N, O, E, Mane. Kule, that is Thursday. Kule. K, U, E, Kule. K, U, E, Kule. Yale, that is Friday. Yale. Ye, A, E, Yale. Ye, A, E, Yale. Saturday is Fole. Saturday, Fole. F, O, E, Fole. F, O, E, Fole. Mole, that is Sunday. O, E, Mole. O, E. Hope you've learned something today. I'm going over this one. I won't mention or pronounce the names for them in English. I'll only say that of the Nzema. We have Kelinzile, Jeke, Male, Kule, Yale, Fole, Mole.